What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and we have another video. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And if you're wondering what you're gonna see on this here channel, let me tell you, you're gonna see fashion, luxury, travel, lifestyle, and all around joy. Why? Because joy is life and life is living, and that's what we plan to do. Okay. Welcome, friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm joined by my puppers here who just does not want to leave my side. So you may see his head pop in and out of the frame. Maybe he'll make some noise, but that's just the life of a dog mom. Okay. He wants to be here next to me. So today I'm going to talk about some goals for 2023. Obviously, I know 2023 is in full effect. We're in January. January is almost over. And I think this month has gone really, really fast. Am I the only one that has felt this way? I feel like it's speeding. She is speeding through. And I just want to go over a few of the goals that I have, and maybe we can, share some more goals together. Now, I try not to share like every tiny detail about what I want to do, because some things you just need to like keep to yourself, keep to yourself until you get it done. But I have 3 categories, and they are travel, self-care, and happiness. That's how I'm going to bring my goals to you today. So, first goal, travel. Oh, the thing I love so much in this world. I'm just like, one of these days, someone's just gonna pay me to travel and to write about it, and hopefully not write about it. Maybe I'll record it, because writing's a lot and video might be a little easier. I don't know. I used to write a blog. Anyways, I'm gonna go on a tangent. Let me stay on track. So some of the places I want to go to are South Africa, because I just really, I want to go on a safari. I know that sounds probably terrible, but I know they have beautiful safaris. I have a friend that went some years ago. It was beautiful. She had so much fun. It was just everything she had dreamed of. So I really want to go to South Africa. I've been to Nigeria. I just was in Egypt, and the Egypt trip was pretty fast. So I want to do like another kind of longer trip. Maybe for my birthday? I don't know. We'll see. The next place I want to go to is Kenya. Oh, Kenya. Specifically, there's an attraction there. You probably already have heard about it. And it is Giraffe Manor. Yes, it's where you basically live in this jungle area. And the giraffes, they come in, they stick their head in, and you feed them, and they chill with you while you're having breakfast. And you could go out on a swing and feed them and just like be with these giraffes. It's a whole experience. It's a little pricey. It's a little pricey. I think it's like a couple $1,000s. So every time I think about it, I'm like, oh, that is kind of a lot, isn't it? That's a lot. But what an experience. I really want to go back to Africa. I would go to Ghana. Even though it's not on my list, but I would go to Ghana as well. I also really want to get my hair done, like in Africa too, because I know the ladies be doing it. They be doing it. So I really want to, that's random, but I really want to do that. I also want to go to Norway, Sweden, and Finland. You're like, all right, that's very different than South Africa and Kenya and Ghana. Yes, it is. And you're like, why those places? I'm really trying to hit all new places. Every year when I travel, I try to hit a new place, see something new, experience something new, and I've not been to those places. Also, those places are like right next to each other. So the best thing to do is like when you go to Europe is to just take a quick flight or train or whatever it is over to a neighboring country, because the flights are so cheap. Like flying from here to Chicago can be $400, but flying from Paris to Barcelona could be $100. And they're in different countries. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. So I'm hoping that I can make that a trip, go to Finland, Norway, Sweden, and just, revel the food, go to the museums, see the fashion, meet people, like do things. I am ready for it. Number 2, self-care. oh, I started this last year and I am full force ahead this year. And so it's kind of self-care slash health. So we are working out. And you're probably like, everyone says they're gonna work out. Everyone says they're gonna work out. Yeah, I know, but she has been doing it. I've been working out 5 days a week religiously, except for when I was in Chicago because I tried. It did not work. But other than that, 5 days a week, I go to PT 3 days a week, I go to the gym twice a week. So I get a full-on hardcore workout 5 days a week. So there's that. I was like, look at me, I'm doing it. But the second part of that, eating better. And I've never had to really have this on my goals list because I'm usually a pretty good eater. But since that 2020, honey, since that Coco, since that Coco, she's been eating. Okay, all the things, just all the things. Name a thing. Yep, ate that. Name another thing. Yep, ate that. And I need to like dial it back because you can't outwork a bad diet. I learned that from a gym I used to go to. You can't outwork a bad diet. You couldn't work out. If you're eating like crap all the time, it's not gonna work. And I don't eat like crap all the time because I do eat like pretty well, but it's like a random car, sorry. I do eat pretty well. I'm getting my protein, I'm getting my fiber, my greens, but I love me a cookie and a piece of chocolate, and I always have, but I'm just eating more of it. So y'all pray for me so I can do better with my eating because I need all of the help I could get. After that, we are making sure we are washing our hair and deep conditioning it, and we're trimming it and stuff. Like I already got my hair done, so it has been thoroughly washed and all that stuff, and is now being protected. I love that, and I'm going to continue that for this year. We are getting our massages, we are getting our facials, we're getting our nails done, we're getting our toes done. We are pampering ourselves. We are meditating. We are praying. We are stretching. We are doing all the things. All the things. And I think all of that for me is self-care slash health, because getting up in the morning when I wake up, oh shit, it's nothing to be like, thank you Lord, I'm awake. Thank you Lord, I'm awake. And you know, that's my prayer. It's a little bit more in depth than that, but that's my prayer. So I'm always, since I'm working out 5 days a week, I am also stretching 5 days a week at least, and on the weekend I'll do like probably a shorter stretch. It's not as in depth. So we need to take care of our bodies inside and out, okay? We're going to therapy. We're getting our mind right. We're going to physical therapy. We're getting our body right. We're working out. We are going to eat better. We're getting massages. We are feeling relaxed. We're detoxing our pores. And we are going to take care of our health. At least for me, continue to take care like times 10. Like we're going hardcore this year. Last but not least, my last category, happiness. Now, what is that? What is happiness? You know? Happiness is in the eye of the beholder. I know it's beauty, but right now it's what are the things that make us happy? For me, hanging with friends. Friends is important. Like I want to make sure that I'm setting aside time to throw a party, go to brunch, go dance, listen to music, go do this, go to the open mic, go to the salsa class, like making time for friends and not being too busy for friends, okay? What else is happiness? She's ready for a ring. She ready. Oh my God, I think Girls Trip 2 is coming out. I think that's a thing. Anyways, so yes, she is ready for that. She wants to make more money because who doesn't? I mean, some people don't, but money makes it so you can go places and do things and have stuff. So if I want to go eat with the giraffes, we got to make some more monies, and not just make like money, but like have the things that I'm invested in be prosperous. Shows, work, my clothing that I'm, designing and selling, like all those things I'm doing, have that be prosperous, because that is then going to fuel, to be longevity. So that's important. Along with making more money, we're going to pay off a little bit of debt. I did incur a little bit of debt. Am I mad about it? No, because that's just how life is sometimes. Sometimes you just incur debt. And am I happy because the things that I have and the things that I've done and the places I've been to, and is that a reflection of the debt? Yeah, so I won't take it back, because that means I have to take back experiences. I have to take back a lot. So we're gonna erase that debt. It won't take long, because it's not like, thousands upon thousands or tens of thousands of dollars. So that's not a big deal. But it's always good to have that in the front of your mind, like, no girl, don't buy that thing. Pay off this bill first. Or pay it off second. I don't know, whatever. So we're doing no debt. I really want to create something that's theater-based, that's my own, something that I can write and produce and act in, etc., etc., etc. And this year, I think, is the time to finally do it. I've put it off a little bit, but we shall put it off no more. We are going to write that show, or at least get the beginning phases of the show, like get the outline, start doing some pieces. It might not be completed by the end of the year, or maybe it will be. We'll see. But that would make me really happy. All right, friends, those are some of my 2023 goals. What do you think? Are any of those your goals? I mean, the working out, the eat right. I feel like drink less alcohol. Don't curse so much. Is it Lent? Is it Lent yet? I think it's Lent. All those things. What are some of your goals? Share it down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also share this video with a friend, because sharing is caring. Duh. All right, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.